Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the COUPNUM function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the number of coupons payable between the settlement date and the maturity date, which are just right here. And it's gonna be rounded up to the nearest whole coupon. So for the purpose of this function, once again, we need 4 arguments. We need the settlement date, the maturity date, the frequency, which would be either annual, semi-annual, or quarterly, and the basis that goes between 0 and 4. So now if we want to write our function, how exactly is it going to work? So pretty simple. I'm gonna write it right here with the use of all the arguments that I have there. So we'll start with an equal sign, and the first step will be simply to write down our COUPNUM function. There is a little mistake here. Once we have it, what we can do, we can enter our arguments. So the first one will be the settlement date, which will be the 25th January 2021. Then we're gonna have the maturity date, which will be the 10th November 2021. So really important. The settlement date has to be before the maturity date because you buy your coupon before it reaches the maturity date, of course. Now, the next step will be selecting the frequency. Once again, it has to be either 1, 2, or 4. If it's any other number, it's going to be a mistake. Well, it's going to be an error. In our case, we're going to select this cell right here, which is 4. And finally, the basis. So in our case, we're going to select this cell right here, which is 1. And then what we can do is just close our parentheses. And just like that, we know that the number of coupon payments for this bond will be 4. So this is how you use the COUPNUM function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.